Okay, it is time for Rendezvous in the Ozarks 2025. And as we've done every year, we come down and just dispersed camp. The event's held at Mulberry Mountain, and we'll camp there for the rest of the event, but we spend the first night just dispersed camp somewhere. And this is our spot. This is the Blue Hole. The trail, road, if you want to call it that, to get here could easily be traversed with a two-wheel drive vehicle. And there's lots of space down here to get a lot of vehicles. It's not the malevolous to try and get set up with a rooftop tent, but we managed to do it with a few stacks of rocks. So we are going to take our time this morning. I'm going to go get some water heated up, and get some coffee. I might just set my chair right down here and drink my coffee, have a little oatmeal, and then we're going to slow roll our way to Mulberry Mountain. Oh, I do have to stop at Oark. I forgot my eggs. Had them in the fridge. I just forgot to take them out of the fridge in the house, put them in the fridge in the truck. So we will overspend for eggs this weekend. Other than that, weather's perfect today. There is a chance of rain on Saturday. Oh, I should mention, this is Thursday morning. But Saturday, we could have some rain, and we may have to change our plans on Saturday if it is raining. But we are going to be leaving and back home Saturday night. We hope to have the drawing, and we'll stay for the drawing and hit the road back home. But in between this morning and leaving on Saturday, we're going to pack in some fun and some good food. So stick around. Well, we were going to eat lunch at Oark. The line to order was all the way to the back of the store and starting to curl back around towards the door. There were a lot of people outside sitting, still waiting on their food, so we've decided we're just going to go get a sandwich. I was going to get eggs at Oark. They don't have eggs, and lo and behold, I'm driving along the highway and there's a sign, free-range eggs for $2 a dozen. Can't beat that. So we have a dozen free-range eggs. We're set there, and now we're just going to go find us a nice spot to sit down and have our sandwich for lunch. I've got a spot that I think is going to work out good. We got to get through a little bit of mud to get there, but it won't be bad.
Have I been here?
Huh?
Have I been here?
No, you have not. Okay, instead of a burger at Oark, we're having sandwiches along the Mulberry River. Can you see that behind me? In the shade, got the water running in front of us. It's a nice spot. Welcome to Friday morning of Rendezvous in the Ozarks. We are leading an impromptu trail ride, and we are going to run Frog Bayou Falls from the west to the east. It's a little harder. You got a bit of a hill climb with an obstacle. We have 3 guys riding along with us, and then I've got my buddy Gino in the back. And it's kind of sprinkling, not too bad. It would be nice if it rained enough to get the dust down on the roads, but if it rains very much, the uphill climb can get pretty slick. So we're kind of at an in-between. Like a little bit of rain, not a whole lot of rain. But pretty overcast. It's not very hot out. It's a very cool day, so it should be good. But we've got a few miles of these rough back roads to get over to the west side to run the trail. We're taking it slow. We've already aired down. It softens up the ride a little bit, and we'll put the vehicle through the paces today. Ooh, that one stinks.
Yeah.
Once we had made our way down the trail to the first hill climb and obstacle, we did have a group of side-by-siders that were coming down the trail towards us. We were able to get over to the side down at the bottom of the hill so that they could safely make their way down and past us before we started up the hill.
I don't know where to stand. It's safe. Not sure how well I videoed that.
Yeah. Just don't back up too far. It looked easy, didn't it? Yeah, it sure did. All right.
Like a champ! A little more passenger. Yeah, turn passenger. Now you'll climb that rock and you'll level out. And then a little more passenger. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, you got it. Stay passenger. There you go. I don't know how well I got that either. He's already up in the air. Ooh, that scared me. Ooh. Ooh.
Think Mike will be okay?
I think Mike will be okay. I'm worried about Gene. Ooh. Nope.
I think you're gonna have to back up and go more passenger.
Yeah. Nope. Hold it.
I think he's on that log.
I think back up. I think we put him here. It's low enough that it'll offset the tree angle, you think?
Fine.
Or we take him down to no air in the tires and turn him back up. Hold it. Okay, back up. Still not going to get it.
Back up exactly.
Yeah. I'm glad I didn't get the 3.5-inch lift.
Yeah. Hold it. Okay. Well, you're past it now. It's just going to rub on it.
That's what I was kind of thinking, is just go for it.
Yeah, just stay straight.
Sending it.
Yeah, now you got it. Now you're clear. Just wash out this water. We are almost off of Frog Bayou Falls. Trip's taken us longer than we thought. Lots of the trees down, but it's been a good day for hitting the trails. We're gonna get back to just the county roads here and make our way back to Mulberry Mountain, get settled in for the evening and get some food going. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and be sure to like and subscribe if you would.